Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making roasted garlic and herb potatoes in the air fryer. So let's get into it. So this recipe is super simple. We're gonna melt some butter and some garlic in our pot, and then we are going to take some Italian seasoning, and I'm just sprinkling a little bit of that on top of the butter. You can also use fresh herbs if you want to, but I'm just using the dried Italian seasoning. I am also going in with some garlic powder and onion powder. So we're gonna allow that to melt and simmer over the stove. While that's happening, we are going to take some red potatoes and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. So my potatoes are already cleaned. Make sure you clean your potatoes thoroughly because you don't want any dirt or anything in your potatoes. And you just see me kind of dicing them up into bite-sized pieces. And I am also using red potatoes for this recipe. You can also use the golden potatoes. So now that I have all my potatoes cut up, I'm just going to season them a little bit with some salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian zest. I am also going in with a little bit of smoked paprika just to give it a little bit of color. And I am just going in with my hand and massaging that seasoning on my potatoes. Now we're just gonna take that garlic butter that we had melting before we started, and we're just gonna pour that on top. And now you're just gonna take your potatoes and lay them out on a baking pan and make sure they are spread out. Once you get them spread out, you can pop them in your air fryer at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or until they're fork tender. So this is what they look like after I took them out of the air fryer, and I just tasted one to make sure my seasoning was on point. So I went back in with a little bit of roasted garlic from McCormick, and I also went in with my Tony's Creole seasoning. Once you toss that seasoning on there, you can plate it up and it should look something like this. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this recipe out, or if you tried it out, let me know how you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.